The weekly code quiz. What attribute is used to allow user control of the video element? The controls attribute adds video and audio playback control to the user. This is a critical addition for those with epilepsy. You can use the default browser interface or create a custom interface, but at a minimum, a user must be able to start, stop, and adjust volume on a video. What attribute allows a video to play on loading? The autoplay attribute will allow the video to play while the web page is loading. It is discouraged because most users find this annoying. What attribute allows a video to continuously replay? The loop attribute will restart the video from the beginning after it finishes. This can also be considered annoying and should be used with good reason. What attribute turns off the sound on a video by default? The mute attribute will play with the sound off by default. What attributes control the size of a video? The width and height attributes control the size, but it is better to use CSS. In either case, the video will maintain its aspect ratio or native width to height ratio. If the size you set does not match the video's aspect ratio, it will fill the space horizontally, and any additional space will be given a default background color. What attribute helps to buffer large files? The preload attribute is used to help buffer large files. This means that it begins to download a certain amount of data from your media file prior to playing the media so that the media plays smoothly. You can select 3 values: none, auto, and metadata. None does not buffer the file, auto buffers the media file, and metadata buffers only the metadata. What attribute is used to add a still image prior to the video being played, also known as a thumbnail image? The poster attribute. In the next quiz, we will go over how to use these attributes with the video element. Presented by Designers Learn Code.